I woke up feeling like I wanted a cozy little beverage, just a little treat. You know, for the weather, it was crispy. It's the holiday season, so I need a cozy drink. I did exactly what y'all would have done. I got up, got cute, hopped in my car, and took a drive to the neighborhood Starbucks. But the total for this tiny drink almost took me out. So listen to me when I tell you.
As far as I'm concerned, we got white chocolate mocha at home. Come make 3 holiday drinks with me that taste better than the drive-thru. Come on.
So for our first drink, the white chocolate mocha, I had my husband try it because it's one of his favorite drinks, and he said, oh yeah, this is definitely staying in rotation. I love drinks like this because they make your home feel intentional. Like, hey, I've slowed down, even if it is just for a few minutes. And I was crafty. Who doesn't like a little moment of craftiness?
It is really good as is. I mean, straight up just milk and chocolate. But I want to add a little bit of cold brew. I'm using stock.
Now, our second drink, peppermint hot chocolate, really takes me back to my childhood. Every December, around my birthday, my aunt and I would head over to Starbucks and we would get a peppermint hot cocoa, sit by the window, and just catch up. I wasn't allowed to drink coffee back then, so it was always hot cocoa.
Soft and white, a cozy fire, the perfect night. Candy canes and stockings hung high. Dreams of a reindeer in the sky. A Merry Christmas to all a good cheer. The laughter, the love, the warmth is here. Raise your voice, let the joy grow tall. A Merry Christmas to all. To all. Oh, yeah. Twinkling lights on every street, echoing songs with the jolly beat. Families gather, hearts feel whole. Magic sparkles, it fills the soul. Feel the wonder, feel the glow underneath the mistletoe. A Merry Christmas to all of the cheer.
I am absolutely in love with peppermint, so please make sure to top your beverage with as much peppermint crunch as you would like.
Raise your voice, let the joy grow tall. A Merry
Our last drink, the gingerbread latte, latte is for the cozy girls, the ones who love a little spice and everything nice. It's a little hug and a mug moment.
I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, it smells so divine. Here, take a whiff.
Pull me near. This ain't your average silent night, dear. Mistletoe's hung, but we don't care. Our kind of love's a little rare. Unwrap me slow and hold me tight.
The next time you are craving a warm holiday drink, remember, you can make some magic at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with a friend who loves a cozy drink at home just as much as we do. Talk soon.